in Neasden Mandir, but it is closed. It's not closed, but they're not letting me go in because of security reasons, and they said there's no photography inside. I don't know, I wanted to go inside and take it in details, but I don't think so I'll be able to go in. So hopefully I'll try to come in again another day with my friend, and then we will go inside. Alright, I'll see you soon then. Everybody, I have just been to BAPS Shri Swaminarayan Mandir, a Hindu temple in Neasden in central London, and it's so beautiful, guys. It's amazing. But I felt sorry because they didn't let us make any photography inside, so I couldn't make any movie. As you have seen, I have done from outside, and it's so beautiful. And this mandir has also been described as being Britain's first authentic Hindu temple. Each and every stone was carved in back home in India. The marbles were delivered from France and I think from Belgium as well, I'm not sure. But the stones were delivered to India, and people have carved each and every stone very carefully, and then it was dispatched here in UK, and very carefully they have assembled all these stones together. So guys, I will recommend to come and visit this place. And there are some doors were closed inside. They open those doors between 4 and 6, where behind them are their murtis, like statues wearing the, I think, jewelry and everything. So normal times they are closed, you can't see them. So they are open between 4 and 6. If you plan to visit central London, do visit this place, don't miss it out. I have really enjoyed watching it. I've really enjoyed visiting this place, so I'm sure you will like this place too. People shouldn't think, oh, it's Mandir and I am not Hindu, so I should not visit it. No, just go and visit this place as a museum, because it's worth watching from inside. It's very beautiful, very quiet, and there is information of the history in it. I mean, how Hinduism started first, and how they started carving all these statues, and how they put spirits in their statues. There are so many things to learn. I mean, I have visited and it's so amazing. It's so amazing, guys. And if you liked my visit to this mandir, don't forget to click on thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe me here and here. Until next time, you take a good care of yourself. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.